Hi, we are in Sydney, Australia, and I'm excited to be joined by Nicola and Michelle from Niteco. So, Nicola, maybe starting with you, what are the most common pitfalls you see when companies engage Niteco on their digital transformation?
Digital agencies typically build projects focusing on the customers, which is good. However, what's often forgotten is the content teams, the marketing teams, and how they use the CMS and the e-commerce platform. So our first pitfall is ensuring that in any project, we should include the content teams and marketing teams as part of the planning and discovery phases.
So it's really including the content editors and really ensuring that you actually think about their needs and their ease of use.
Exactly, yes.
It's ease of use, very good. Michelle, what do you think about some of the common pitfalls you see in the projects? You talked about something very interesting around kind of like the ambition that sometimes companies set.
Yeah, I mean, as a strategist and working with our team like Nicola, quite often we see a lot of customers jumping quite far in advance in terms of their roadmap, when actually we have to start with a bit of empathy for the user, making sure we understand data around who they are and how they're behaving.
What data can you bring into that kind of conversation to actually reset expectations and not jump too far?
It's usually a mix of feedback from a client, so we can try and get that feedback from either usability testing or workshops, but often it has to be supplemented with analytics, and we'll use behavioural tools to assess what they're doing on the site, and then we'll use that quantitative data to answer questions like why are they doing that. So it has to be a combination of both.
Excellent. You also talked about pitfalls around the foundation.
Yes.
And setting the right foundation.
Sure. Yeah.
What do you mean by foundation, and what do companies need to consider?
Yeah, look, a lot of the RFPs that we've received recently talk about jumping straight to like AR and AI and chatbots and all these cognitive services, which are great. However, what's often forgotten and missed in these RFPs are the requirements about building a solid foundation, ensuring that the architecture is modular. You can easily swap out components. You can easily decouple, as well as obviously looking at the performance of the website, the stability, scalability, availability. Sure, your marketing teams might drive traffic to the website, but will it stand? Will it scale?
Absolutely.
So yeah.
Excellent, excellent. And Michelle, on that point of innovation, you actually were a little bit thought-provoking on the topic of innovation for the innovation's sake versus really the benefits of innovation.
Yeah.
How to best think about innovation?
We have to think about innovation more holistically and more proactively. So it is very tempting, and we know we've observed it in our own clients, to see stats like 75% of the biggest brands are adopting VR and AR, and it's very tempting to go, we want to do that too, without actually addressing, is that the solution that our customers actually need?
Absolutely, absolutely. And really understanding which innovation is actually right for your customer base.
Correct.
Talking about the customer, why do you think do companies choose to work with Niteco and Episerver?
The possibilities are endless with Episerver as a platform. So between your content, your publishing, your e-commerce, being able to scale easily, being able to integrate easily as well, and extended solution. I think that's why a lot of customers stay on Episerver and choose Episerver as a platform. I believe Niteco are good at sitting down with the business and understanding the problems. What Michelle was saying earlier is to look at the why. Why are we building a platform? Who are we building it for?
Yes, we are very thankful for the partnership with Niteco and what you do together with us for our customers and their customers. And I look forward to a fantastic future together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.